Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we are going to talk about Hisense and some of the offers Hisense is bringing to you for the Euro Cup 2020. And guys, we have also reviewed Hisense TVs on our channel few months back and we found this brand's product very good. So Hisense is a global brand and has been associated with sports for a long time, and they have been sponsoring sports events for over a decade. Now about this campaign, Hisense is the official sponsor of the Euro Cup 2020, and to celebrate it, Hisense has launched Your Home, Your Stadium campaign, which has already started from June 12th. During this campaign, Hisense is going to start with Hisense Super Brand Week, which is from June 12th to 21st of June. And in this, all the 4K TVs will come with 4-year warranty. So normally you get 1-year warranty, but if you have purchased Hisense TV during the period of 12 June to 21st of June, you will get an additional 3-year comprehensive warranty. And on top of it, you'll be getting Super Brand Week attractive pricing. Apart from the TVs, Hisense is also offering attractive pricing on Wi-Fi ACs and side-by-side refrigerator models. And during this period, Hisense is also going to widen their TV range, and they're launching a 70-inch Mega TV with Dolby Vision and Atmos this month. And you're also getting a 65-inch Tornado TV next month with 102-watt JBL sound. We have already reviewed the 55-inch model on our channel, and we were really impressed with the performance. And lastly, you guys can also win Euro 2020 merchandise and can take part in the Spot Hisense competition. All you need to do is spot Hisense during the matches on Sony Live app and share screenshots and videos on social media using hashtag SpotHisense and Euro 2020, and you could win exciting Euro goodies. And that's not all, winners will be picked daily, and one lucky winner will receive the Hisense Home Jackpot, which consists of 4K TV, inverter AC and a side-by-side refrigerator. So guys, that was a quick video about the latest Hisense offers. Don't forget to take part in the competition. And also, if you have any queries or question about any of these offers and Hisense products, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.